outside because I wasted all our water. Is that Dad?
Please open the door.
It's so hot. I feel like I'm standing inside an oven.
Please keep the refrigerator closed, Joy. The house is already using too much electricity. Mom, can I have a big glass of cold juice with lots of ice? We don't have any juice left, sweetheart. Drink some water instead.
Mom, there's no water left. Not even one full drop.
That can't be right. I thought we still had 2 bottles.
I used some water to fill my toy swimming pool yesterday.
Joy, I told you that the weather was becoming dangerously hot. Water is not something we can waste.
I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't think we would run out.
Can we buy more water now?
Your father was planning to buy some tomorrow morning. We'll have to wait until he comes home.
Emergency alert. A massive sandstorm is approaching the area. All residents must remain indoors. Close all windows and doors immediately.
Mom, is a sandstorm dangerous?
It can be very dangerous. The wind carries thick sand, and it may become impossible to see or breathe outside.
What happened?
A major sandstorm is coming, and we have no water left.
No water at all? We'll discuss that later. Right now, we need to solve the problem.
John, you can't go outside. The emergency warning says everyone must stay indoors.
The storm hasn't reached us yet. The market is only a few streets away.
Dad, please don't go.
I have to do this for my family. We cannot stay here without drinking water.
The storm is moving quickly. What if you can't come home?
I promise I'll be careful. Lock the door behind me, close every window, and stay away from the glass. Joy, you're the older brother. Stay with Mom and help protect Julie.
I will, Dad. Please come home safely.
I'll be back soon.
Come on, John. Just a little farther. No! It's closed! There has to be another store open. I can't lose time. My family needs this water.
Move away from the window.
I just want to see if Dad is coming.
Mom is right. Stay close to us.
What if Dad can't find his way home?
Dad knows every street in the neighborhood. He'll come back.
Joy, help me check the back door.
Mom, I'm sorry I wasted the water.
I know you didn't understand how important it was. The best apology is learning from your mistake.
I'll never waste water again.
Wait. Please don't close yet.
The storm is almost here. You need to go home immediately.
My family has no water. I only need a few bottles.
All right, but hurry.
Thank you. You may have saved my family.
Take the side road home. The main road is already covered in sand.
The storm is here. I have to get home now.
The power is out!
Stay calm. Everyone stay close together.
Dad should be home by now.
The storm may have forced him to take shelter somewhere. Your father is smart. He won't take unnecessary risks.
No, you don't. My family needs this water. Leave it. Protect the rest.
Which way is home? The playground is 2 streets from our house. I'm close. He has been gone too long.
Maybe he doesn't know where we are.
He knows. We just have to keep believing.
Good thinking, Joy. I'm supposed to protect Julie.
Dad!
Wait. Stay back.
Sophia. It's me.
Dad.
You came home. I promised, didn't I?
You look like a giant sand monster.
A very thirsty sand monster. Drink slowly. We don't know how long the emergency will last.
This is the best water I've ever tasted.
The sandstorm has officially moved away from the area. Residents should remain cautious and avoid damaged roads.
The storm is over.
It looks like the desert moved into our garden.
We can clean it together. Joy, you swept yourself. I need more practice.
No, the flowers can still use it.
Every drop is important after a disaster.
Every drop is important before a disaster, too.
I understand now. I wasted water because I thought we would always have more.
Many important things seem unlimited until an emergency happens.
Can we store extra water so Dad never has to go out during a storm again?
That is exactly what we're going to do.
This shelf will be for emergency drinking water only,
Why do we put it low?
so everyone can reach it quickly, including you.
And we should check the bottles regularly so the water stays safe.
Excellent idea. Now let's build an emergency kit.
We also need batteries, medicine, masks, a radio, blankets, and a first aid kit.
Like this?
Not on your eyes, Julie.
Every item has a purpose. During an emergency, we must know how to use everything correctly.
Imagine the power suddenly goes out again. What do you need first?
A flashlight. Then we should listen to the radio or phone alerts for instructions.
Excellent.
And we stay away from windows.
Very good.